In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header in Mailchimp. Whether you're working on a one-time email campaign or creating a reusable template, knowing how to adjust and customize your designs is essential for creating professional, streamlined emails that reflect your brand. Headers can sometimes include unnecessary distractions like logos or announcement bars, and removing them can create a cleaner, more focused layout. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove headers from your campaigns and templates in Mailchimp. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Mailchimp.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored and managed. Take a moment to locate the specific campaign you want to work on, and once you've found it, click on it to open the details. From there, select the Edit option for that campaign. This will allow you to make changes to your email before it's sent out. Now, we're going to focus on the content section of your campaign. Click on Edit Design, and this will take you to Mailchimp's design editor. Here's where all the magic happens. You'll see the layout of your email broken into different sections or blocks. What we're targeting today is the header section. Scroll through your design to locate it. This is typically the first block in your email and often contains elements like an announcement bar, a logo, or other introductory components. Once you've found the header, the next step is to start removing its elements. Let's say you have an announcement bar that's no longer relevant, or maybe a logo that you don't want displayed at the top of your email. Simply click on each of these elements in the design editor and delete them. If your header block is entirely unnecessary, you can go a step further and remove the entire header block itself. To do this, look for the delete option for that block within the editor and confirm your choice. This will remove everything in that header section, leaving you with a cleaner, more concise design. After you've made these changes, it's important to review your design carefully. Scroll through your email to ensure the header has been removed and check that the rest of your content starts exactly where you want it to. This is your chance to make sure the layout looks professional and flows well without the header. Once you're happy with the design, click Continue and make sure to save your changes. This ensures that the updated version of your campaign is ready to go whenever you decide to send it out. Now, let's talk about templates. If you want to create a reusable design without a header, head over to the Templates section in Mailchimp. Here, you can either create a new template or edit an existing one. Select the template you'd like to work on, and just like we did with the campaign, open the design editor. From there, repeat the process of locating and removing header elements or the entire header block. Once you've finalized your template design, save it so you can easily use it for future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove the header in Mailchimp, both for individual campaigns and reusable templates. Taking the time to customize your emails in this way can make a big difference in how your audience interacts with your content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.